Stop talking about people and start talking about ideas, plans, and goals. The moment you elevate your conversations, you elevate your life. Small minds get trapped in gossip. Average minds talk about situations, but great minds, they talk about visions, strategies, and the future they are building. Kung saan umiikot ang usapan mo ngayon, doon pupunta ang buhay mo. So choose wisely. Talk less about who failed and more about how you will win. Talk less about who hurt you and more about how you will grow. Talk less about people and more about the dreams you are turning into reality. Because your words shape your focus and your focus shapes your destiny. Level up your conversations and level up your life.